Kocha Sebastian Mine akoretwo abite kambe na imwana iria irikitie gwitwo gutungata timu ya Bururi Harambee Stars. Riri timu ino igakorwo ikirika kiharo muthenya wa Jumamothi ithima na hinya na timu ya Bururi wa Ghana gitumi ari gwetha titi wa gukuruhanio hapatani cia AFCON mwaka turorete wa 2019. Gukiri uguo nyabaro yumweru agakorwo akihuthira muthaki Michael Olunga urothakagira kirabu gia Kashiwa Reso eta mugwimi wake wa bao odumwe na athaki Jesuele Ovela Ochieng na Piton Mutamba. Goalkeeper Patrick Matasi agakorwo agitithirio ni Farouk Shikailo wa Bandari FC na Ian Otieno wa AFC Leopards. Athaki agatagati ni o midfielders matogoretwo ni Joru ya Gor Mahia Francis Kahata na Johana Omolo urothakagira kirabu kimwe mwena wa Belgium thutha wa muthaki Victor Wanyama urothakagira kirabu gia Tottenham Hotspur kwaga gukorwo akionekana.
What is interesting is to have this morning 24 players and to have your full team because I don't want to speak about the player who are absent.
Kocha Sebastian arekereirie maritwa maya ona thengia wa athaki aingi kwaga gukinya kambini yake akiuga muoroto munene ni gukorwo agituria Ghana muthi wa Jumamothi.
We will see. I hope many fans will support us. But I told you, I think Ghana, it will be important, but the more important games, it will be against Ethiopia. We have 2 games. If you can win 2 games against Ethiopia, after you can play a final against Sierra Leone. But if you can start with some points against Ghana, it will be interesting for the future. Really interesting, but
ino ne gucanio ya keri ya Harambee Stars gukorwo magetha mweke gutungata gucanio cia AFCON mwaka turorete. Gucanio ya mbere magikurumanio ni Sierra Leone na goru 2-1. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.